Hello everyone and welcome to this week's video tutorial. This will be another short example of using the cannon to attack the bottom rank, the enemy's bottom rank. So without further ado, let us begin. Now in this board it will be red's turn to move. An initial analysis would show that red would have 2 chariots, 1 cannon, 1 horse. Black would have similar material with 2 chariots and 2 horses. Both colors have a full guard. Black has 1 extra pawn. It will be red's turn to move, and red's pieces are already poised for the final kill. But how can red zoom in for the final win? Now before we continue, this is a very simple short example, and please do try to solve the puzzle if you can. Now the first move would be to sacrifice the chariot. By moving the horse over here, red will now try to formulate an attack on this flank. Now in the book, r4 plus 4 was played, and red will win very easily. But the best move that black could come up with in this situation would be to play r4 equals to 6 to block the horse from attacking and thereby sacrificing the chariot. But in doing so, red would have 1 extra chariot and he would also win for sure. So that is why this basically is a winning position once red would have made this move. So black captures the chariot. Red starts his attack, attacking the bottom rank. Again, the chariot is blocking the elephant from protecting this intersection. Only legal move is 6 plus 5, and red would now capture the horse, and this would basically be a winning position for red. Now if there's only one move given a book, black will play a5 plus 6 and red will checkmate in this manner. However, let's say black tried to retreat, red will checkmate in this manner. So what about a4 plus 5? Red could checkmate in this manner, or checkmate in this manner. This would be an angler horse checkmate. So basically, once the horse had reached this position, please remember, this is quite a practical kill. It will be game over for black, no matter how he played. So a short recap: red sacrifices the chariot, maneuvers the horse to this position, and it will be game over. This is a short example. I hope you've enjoyed this short video. But it is a very practical kill nonetheless. So if you like this board and the other work that I've been doing, please do subscribe to my channel and give me a thumbs up. Thank you.